Hello everyone, this is Chris Crescents. I'm in front of the Museum of Contemporary Art in downtown Chicago. I'm going to do another walk-in video. It's Tuesday, February 22, 2022. So it's 2/22/22 in America, and it's 22/2/22 in Cyprus. I'm just going to do a very short walk-in video in the Streeterville neighborhood. It's raining at the moment, not very hard, so I'm just going to show you the high rises over here. You see it's cloudy, raining, foggy. Temperature is about 35 degrees Fahrenheit, just a little bit above freezing, at 2 or 3 degrees centigrade. I'm going to show you Streeterville in the rain here. This is Seneca Park right over there. This is Miles van der Rohe Street, and that's Pearson Street over there. People taking pictures. I'm just gonna do a 360 for you and show you the area. This is the Museum of Contemporary Art, one of the best well-known modern museums in the world. The Museum of Contemporary Art in downtown Chicago in Streeterville. It's called MCA for short. This is the Lewis Children's Hospital, one of the best children's hospital in the world. It's a high-rise hospital, about 22 stories tall. And you can see the high-rises in the area here. Alright, let's just walk a little bit in Streeterville. This is the residential neighborhood as well, in addition to the hospital area and the museums and the restaurants and the hotels. It's called Streeterville. The zip code is 60611. This is where I live and work for the last 20 years. I've been in Chicago almost 40 years, but 20 years of them are right here in Streeterville. So we're just gonna cross the street. And this is, I want to show you, this is Pearson Street. Beautiful area. And then we're gonna stay on Van der Rohe Street. Let's go do a little bit of walking in Streeterville in the rain. It's raining, it's drizzling. You cannot really see it in the video, but it's raining, trust me. I got my rain gear on. 125 bus right here, 58 bus. So we're still on my Van der Rohe Street, and we are approaching Chestnut. And I'm just going to show you the John Hawkins Center, one of the tallest buildings in the world. It's more than 100 stories tall. There it is right there. Beautiful structure there. And then we're approaching Chestnut Street. And this is the Seneca building, another beautiful building right there. Great architecture with a very well-known Italian restaurant on the ground floor. It's called Francesca's on Chestnut, 200 East Chestnut. And all right, let's just walk a little bit this way here. I'm going to show you another shot of the John Hawkins Center. I'm right in front of it. It takes about 4 city blocks. There it is. All the way up in the sky. You see the clouds up there. One of the tallest structures in the world. It's a U.S. Post Office truck over there, delivering their mail. You can hear sirens. It's very normal for this area. There's 5 hospitals here. Trauma centers, women's hospital, children's hospital. You name it, they're here. One of the best in the world. They're right here. So now we're on Delaware. We're approaching Delaware. I'll show you the Hilton Hotel, one of the Hilton hotels right here. So we're in the Streeterville neighborhood. Zip code 60611. Today is Tuesday, February 22nd, 2022. Again, it's 2/22/22. All right, so we're gonna walk a little bit on. Let's go east on Delaware. Show this beautiful area here. All right, let's go east on Delaware. Show these beautiful structures. Again, this is a residential neighborhood. They're all high rises in this area. They also have houses, but they're on the other side. They're more on the Gold Coast than here. So the buildings you see here, the high rise buildings, are all residences. Look how beautiful the architecture is. Goes back many years. Look at that. Beautiful architecture. Again, it's not very cold. It's about 35 degrees Fahrenheit, above freezing, but it is raining. I'll show you the rain right away. You can see it's raining, but you don't see it too much in the camera because it's not raining hard. It's more like drizzling at the moment. But we had a lot of rain earlier. All right, let's keep walking this way. We're gonna make this video a 10-minute video. So let's do another walk in 2 more minutes in the neighborhood here until we reach the 10-minute mark. So now we're on Chestnut and Dewitt. And we're gonna go on Dewitt Street. Again, another shot of the John Hawkins Center. Beautiful area. This is Dewitt. Again, this is a residential area, all apartments, condos. Not too many people on the street. People are still at work. Most of the people in this area, they work like 9 to 5. So it's almost 4 p.m. But look at this beautiful apartment buildings. They are modern architecture. So we're on Dewitt, going north towards Pearson Street. We'll make this a 10-minute video. I just wanted to show you Streeterville in the rain, light rain. We're just gonna name this video "Walking in Streeterville in the rain, light rain, in downtown Chicago." Now we're approaching Chestnut and Dewitt. You can hear the birds. Look how beautiful these big trees are. Look how beautiful again the structures are, the high rises. Beautiful day. All right, so we're crossing Chestnut now. We're still on Dewitt. Actually, we're gonna end the video right here. We're on the corner of Dewitt and Chestnut. Thank you everybody for watching. If you like my videos, please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Just click subscribe underneath this video, and please try not to skip the ads during the video. Thank you everybody for watching.